Hey there, homeowner. Your home is a special place where you create memories and enjoy your daily life. Here are the top 5 tips to keep your home in peak condition without much hassle.
First up is cleaning. Let's face it, nobody wants a dirty home, so regularly clean floors, carpets, and furniture to ensure that your home is looking spick and span.
Next up, HVAC maintenance. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Just schedule regular maintenance of your heating and cooling system.
Roof maintenance may sound daunting, but it's important to check your roofs for leaks, damages, and missing shingles. But most importantly, leave all the heavy lifting to a professional roofer so that you can sit and relax knowing that your home is safe and dry.
Sealing windows and doors is a breeze. Properly sealing them will prevent drafts and reduce energy costs. Plus, it's an excuse to add some cute curtains to your windows.
Last but not least, give your home exterior some love. Keep it looking new by repainting and sealing exterior surfaces when necessary. Who doesn't love a fresh coat of paint, right?
By investing in home maintenance, you're not only saving money, but also protecting your investment, as a well-maintained home has greater resale value. With no major headaches down the road, you have peace of mind and enjoy your home to the fullest. Happy homemaking!